everybody, welcome to Unit 2, Video 2. This is an introduction to absolute value equations. So we're going to start with the definition of absolute value. I want to remind you that absolute value measures a distance from a number to 0. So how far is a number from 0? So if we use the absolute value of x equals 3 as our first example, that means that there is some distance from, or the distance from some number to 0 is 3. So, well, how many solutions are there? Well, here, this is 3 spaces from 0, and this point is 3 spaces from 0. So we actually have 2 solutions. Our solutions would be x equals -3 and +3, or x equals positive and -3. Notice I'm using the curly brackets to indicate that these are the numbers in the solution set and not an ordered pair, or using hard brackets, which would actually show an interval. So this kind of gives us a distinction between an ordered pair, an interval, and this is our solution set. Let's take a look at another one. So if I were to solve this, in our first unit, we worked and we said, well, it could be exactly this, or it could be the opposite of what's inside the absolute value. This time, since we're actually solving for x, I'm still going to keep this value equal to 12 and its opposite equal to 12. And this gives us 2 simple equations to solve for. So we're going to take our couple steps here and we'll get our answers. And on the other side, we'll distribute a negative. And I come up with 2 solutions. Now notice this time, unlike the previous example on the number line, I'm not going to have positive and negative of the same value. So in this case, I would write my answer, still in a squiggly bracket here, as 7 over -3, or -7/3, and 17/3. And those are my 2 solutions. Using the idea that we're going to take the value and the opposite of that value and set it equal to a constant, is that we're going to be able to solve these. So please try these quick examples out of your textbook, and then in class we're going to go ahead and add additional steps to our solving process. See you guys tomorrow.